The next major sin is unfortunately quite common amongst people nowadays, namely, failing to complete the obligatory holy pilgrimage when one is able to do so. These are the people who are obliged to perform it, and are in a situation where they can yet unnecessarily delay it. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 97.
And due to Allah from the people is a pilgrimage to the house, for whoever is able to find thereto a way.
The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has given a severe warning in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 812, that if a Muslim is in a position to perform their obligatory holy pilgrimage and fails to, then they might as well die as a non-Muslim. Unfortunately, Muslims often delay this important duty with poor excuses, not understanding how serious it is. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.